Hello. I want to take a minute to go over some functionality added to version 4.41, which is our December 31st, 2022 release. Specifically, we added some work in the Planning Workbench. We took some feedback from some users and added some user interface functionality. More specifically, it is around the Transactional MRP section. So, for example, if I take an item that I'm going to be producing, say DCFGO2, and bring it up in the details, I'm going to see some changes into the screen pretty much immediately. I want to talk about three of them primarily. First off, the projected on hand, which is the running total of the quantity I have available after each of these transactions. We now added some color coding associated with it. So black means that I've got in effect excess inventory. I've got inventory above zero. My gold is where my inventory level is inside my safety stock, but is still above zero. So in this case, any quantity that I come up with for this particular item below 500 but above zero will be showing in this gold. And then red, which I don't have showing here, would be if I have a negative inventory position. So I wouldn't be able to accomplish a sale or a usage or something like that. And that is largely caused by you're inside a production lead time, things like that, where you can't react fast enough. So in this case, in this column, you're really looking for reds, and yellows are there saying if I delay this order, delay getting some inventory in, I'm sitting within my safety stock, so I'm in a warning area. The second thing to talk about is the notes. Notes are now being displayed from either planned orders or batch tickets. So if you put notes, say you're planning production and you add some notes, customer notes, things like that, you can have them showing right here on the Planning Workbench. You can't edit them here. You actually need to go to the underlying document to edit them. But once you do that in MRP Regen, you'll see those new notes. And that is something to know is that this notes field is actually getting populated through the MRP regeneration. So if somebody changed the notes on the batch, you're not going to see those changes on this specific screen until MRP gets a chance to run. And then the final piece has to do with hyperlinks or drillbacks. So we've added some functionality that allows you to drill directly from this screen into the underlying transaction. So this happens to be a planned order. So this is the planned order data here, and then I've got my planned order screen that opened up, so I can now manage all of my planned orders, all of my pending production that isn't a batch ticket yet. We also added that same functionality for a batch, so I can drill directly into a batch, opening batch entry as well as bringing up that batch number, so then I can go and look and see what's going on with the production or the usage of inventory on that specific batch. So these are all examples of things that were brought to our attention from users, giving us some case studies to work on and some use cases that we could go and fix. So if you've got anything similar to this, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach out to your account manager or to support, and we're happy to address it and see what we can do to help you out. Anyway, we hope that's helpful, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks a lot and have a great day.